Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Klipsch R-51PM speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these speakers are not working because they're not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or not pairing with your device, or any kind of issues like this where they're not working right. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is just for any kind of situation where you want to delete or clear all of the pairing history off of them. So you can go ahead and set these speakers up like they're a brand new set of speakers coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is make sure, first of all, that the source is not set on Bluetooth, so it can be set on anything else, optical or aux or phono or whatever, doesn't matter, as long as it's not on Bluetooth. Then we're going to go and we are going to press and hold this source button, the volume source. We're going to press and hold it, and while pressing and holding that, we're going to come over to our controller and we're going to hit this back arrow button here. Once we do that, we should be able to release both buttons and the speaker should start to blink. It will blink for about 10 seconds, at which point the reset is now complete, and you can go ahead and set these speakers up like a brand new set of speakers.